Tell us a little about your car.
We think it's a 2008 Spitzer. It was the racing junk purchase. The owner died in 2013. It got parked to 2016. It sat next to his big brother's house since then. So we bought the car, the trailer, and 2 motors. Really cheap, actually.
Wow.
And took it apart, put it back together. The 2 original motors are in the garage. This is an old Tire 350 out of an old Vega.
Oh,
might be 350 horsepower. And
right.
We're having fun.
Absolutely.
We test and tune, and we're not bracket racing. We're not trying to.
Yeah.
We're just having fun. She has good nights. Last Thursday, she ran 10 or 5, 10, 60s.
Oh wow.
No problem. We're just having fun.
That's all that matters.
So late lot prices.
I hear ya.
When we're done, we'll sell the whole package and get a bunch.
That's all right.
A lot more aftermarket support for them now. It's pretty much a Fox body.
Yeah.
I mean, the IDS rear end kit in it, bolts in, and it's a straight axle 8.8 that has Fox body Mustang geometry.
Oh, okay. All right. So it's basically Fox body with the.
And it's white.
Yeah. So it's a stock block LS. Seriously, this is like the 3rd time we've been here. We're testing it out. We're trying to get it down the track. It's getting there. It's coming. Chris is tuning it. He'll get it worked out. We'll get it. It's coming. It's not the fastest out there, but it's fun. It's what I can afford, and I'm having a blast. There you go. Hey, that's the best thing. That's what everybody says. So. Yeah. And it's a, what year Vega is it? Oh, 73. It's a 73 Vega. And actually, I bought it. The guy's name was Rick Wharf. From what I understand, this car was a national record holder back in the 90s for cars under 300 cubic inch. Huh. Supposedly ran in the 870s, 860s, somewhere in there, back in the 90s. Unfortunately, Mr. Wharf has passed away, so I never got a true confirmation of that. It is hearsay of it. I purchased it and made some changes. I showed it to one of his best friends, and his buddy says, "You know what? I'm telling you right now, he's smiling at you." That's cool. That's very good. So, and what's it got in it now? It's a 6-liter LS stock block, 88mm turbo. It's really not a whole bunch done.
Mustang Fox body, 4-link rear end, stock chassis pretty much with a cage, 632 big block, 1 kit of nitrous. Nothing fancy, but it gets down there.
Yeah. Awesome. It's not hard to find.
Exactly. If you get beat by in a pink car, it's kind of embarrassing.
That's right.